Welcome back for the garage side entry door finishing touches. As you can see, I did decide to paint the door. I also covered the seams with some plastic weather stripping because of the wind-driven rains here in South Florida. The only duty left was to rehang my screen door on the inside. There's a half-inch board on the floor to raise the door high enough to get over the floor mat. I used some PVC boards to create a recessed frame for the door. I centered the screen door so I could mark where the side posts would go. Then I temporarily tacked the post to the door frame. I put the screen door in position so I can get a tight fit from the right side doorpost. Then lost track that it was sitting precariously on a half-inch piece of wood underneath. But not to worry, there's no wood or knife sharp harder than that chunk of wood that I have sitting on my neck. After getting a tight fit that I wanted, I temporarily fastened the right post. Since I don't make PVC posts as thick as the door, and I didn't want to double up, I decided to make my own hinge spacers. Using the drill press to drill out the holes for the screws before cutting out the shape. I left that task for my workhorse of a bandsaw. I slipped the spacers in and hung the screen door, using one screw in each hinge to make sure I had proper alignment before tightening it all down. After making sure the door was properly aligned, I installed the rest of the screws. The last order of business was putting in the latch for the slide bolt. Using the same type spacers that I used on the hinges. The real last order of business was to permanently screw down the side posts. I had forgotten that they were temporarily applied with the nail gun. Mission accomplished. Please take some time to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. I'd really appreciate it.